students, I welcome you all to my channel Math Mysteries with Rashmi with the same chapter Time and Work, but this time we are on type 4 problem, but the part 1. That means the new type of problem we'll be discussing. So basically यहाँ पर starting में कितने दिन तक उन्होंने साथ में काम किया, that will be missing, that will not be given to us, but yes, from ending whosoever has left the work, that will be given to us. So here we have the problem. A and B are working for 9 and 18 days. If they are working alone, A can finish in 9 days, B can finish the same work in 18 days. So let us consider the value for work, which is 18, the LCM. So 9 2s are 18, 18 1s are 18, gives us the efficiency for A and B. After getting everything, they started working together. So A and B started working together, but for how long they were working, that is missing here. So A और B दोनों ने साथ में काम शुरू किया, but for how long they worked, that is not given to us. A left 3 days before the end of the work. So 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पर A तो चला गया. That means B is still working in these 3 days. This is the way we have to understand, right? This is the value for time, which is missing initially. But end say 3 days before A left the work, but B is still doing in these 3 days. B तो अभी भी काम कर रहा है ना, B तो छोड़कर गया नहीं है. So B is working for these 3 days. This we have to understand by ourselves. Will not be given directly in the problem. So A and B has combined efficiency 3. Time is missing here. B's efficiency is 1 multiplied by 3, 18. 18 minus 3 gives me 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the time taken by A and B, and B has worked for how long? A and B's time, they worked together for 5 days, and then A left and then B worked for 3 more days, and then the work gets over. Okay, so in how many days will the total work finish? So likewise, it took how much time to finish the work? Initially 5 days, and then B worked for 3 days. Likewise, 8 days the work gets over, total work gets over in 8 days. Okay, let us move to the next example. A, B, C can finish the work in 12, 16 and 24 days. We can easily find out the LCM here, which is 48. Okay, so this gives us the efficiency. After getting it, all three started working together. That means A, B, C, all of them are working with the efficiency 9. But for how long? That is of course missing here. We don't know that. A, B, C, all three of them are working for how long is missing. Okay, but C left 3 days before. 1, 2, 3. 3 days before here, C left the work. That means A and B were still working for those 3 days. C के जाने के बाद में A and B were working still for 3 days on the same project. So A and B were working for 3 days with the efficiency 7, and the work gets over. Likewise, 48 is the total work. 48 minus 21 is going to give me 27 divided by 9. This is the time in the product of 9. So 9 will come into the denominator. 3 will be the value for the time which has been taken by A, B, C, all three of them initially. Okay, so A and B worked together. A and B worked in beginning also for 3 days and in ending also for 3 days. That means A and B worked for 6 days. 3 plus 3 total 6 days. Okay, अब जल्दी से इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम्स को सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए and give your answer in the comment box.